Hey guys, Dr. Matt here. We had a lot of good feedback about Maple being in our videos, so she likes to sit down and listen to all the same stuff that I teach you guys about. She could probably speak chiropractic better than most chiropractors. Today I want to talk about a concept that we're talking about in our adjusting rooms today, and that's regularity. So there was a study that was done not too long ago that showed how much of the population sees a chiropractor regularly, and that number was around 20%. Now, obviously, that's way too low. Everyone with a spine can benefit from making sure that they're under regular chiropractic care. One of the things I don't like about that study is that we got to define what regular is. So regularity is defined more based on what is the very minimum someone needs to be doing something to maintain the health of whatever they're trying to maintain. So for instance, your teeth, right? We know that you need to brush your teeth morning and night because regular toothbrushing prevents dental decay and helps your teeth stay healthy. So we know the minimum for that is going to be the regular amount, which is going to be at least twice a day. Same thing could go with exercise, and it could go with many other things. Now, obviously, everyone's a bit different. If you have more damage in your teeth, you should maybe even brush them more often. Now, I'm not a dentist, so maybe consult your dentist about that, but you get the idea. The same thing goes with chiropractic care, though. We know that your spine is under different stresses every single day, so the regularity of how often someone should be adjusted should be based more on how quickly can your spine go backwards when it's not getting adjusted or being in proper alignment. And I know that myself personally, that I can cause distress on my spine daily. So by the end of 2 weeks, I absolutely am going to need an adjustment, but I don't even wait that long. I actually get adjusted every single week because I know that within 7 days, the stress that's been on my spine, there's a high likelihood that my spine is going to be out of proper position. So I want to make sure that it's in proper position so it can function the way that it needs to, so I can move and serve people and do the best that I can do. And the same thing goes for any other person. Now, obviously, everyone's a bit different on the stress level that's on their spine, but the key thing is that we should never wait longer than just a few weeks to get our spine checked. Getting adjusted every 2 weeks is actually going to be the minimum. Getting adjusted weekly is even better. So if you're not getting that right now, make sure you tell your chiropractor, get me on a wellness plan that allows for me to be able to keep my spine healthier than what it is today. Thanks, guys.